Hello, I'm Mark Hall.
And I'm Matt Giesler. We're here with the Nebraska DMV.
This is a training video to show the process of adding a vehicle to your IRP fleet in the new Motor Carrier Information System.
To start, log into the system. Agree to the affirmation. This will open your customer dashboard.
On the left side of the screen, click on the Services tab, then click on IRP. This will bring up the IRP site map. Find the Vehicle tile and click on Add Vehicle. This will start the process. One note, if you're wanting to delete an existing vehicle and replace it with another vehicle, select the Transfer Vehicle with Fee function.
The account number will be pre-filled. Fleet number and fleet expiration year fields are optional, and the supplement effective date defaults to the current month. Click Proceed.
For the purposes of this demonstration, this carrier only has one fleet. In the Action column, click the icon for the fleet you would like to add the vehicle to. This will bring you to the Vehicle Details screen.
At the top of the screen, the process is laid out in a series of tabs. These will change colors as you work through the process. Below are informational messages highlighted in blue. Warning and hard stop messages will show here in yellow and red. Enter the VIN and hit the Copy From button.
If the vehicle has a Nebraska title, a Title Details dialog box will appear. Confirm the title number belongs to the current owner by clicking Yes. This will fill in the title information below. If you're still applying for a title, click No. In this example, we'll answer the question No.
Next, fill in the vehicle details fields. All fields with red asterisks are required. Continue by entering a unit number and weight group. In this example, we're going to use the 80,000 pound weight group that has already been established.
Next, select a body type. Then enter the number of axles. Clicking Combined Axles adds 2 more axles. This can be updated if needed. Confirm the fuel type is correct. For the New Tires field, answer the question Yes if the ownership document you're uploading is an MSO, or Manufacturer's Statement of Origin, or if you need to pay a tire fee for any other reason. Entering Yes in the New Tires field opens the Number of Tires field. Enter the number of new tires here. Enter the empty weight of the vehicle in the Unladen Weight field. The base jurisdiction gross weight is automatically filled in from the weight group. Enter the purchase date and the purchase price. If you're entering the purchase price from a documentation you currently have, answer the verification on purchase price as a yes. If not, answer no. If you're applying for a Nebraska title, like we are in this example, select the Nebraska for Title jurisdiction and leave the title number field blank. For title owner name, enter the owner's name as it shows or will show on the title.
If you're running under your own DOT number, the Safety Responsibility field will default to the account owner. If you're running under someone else's DOT number, change this field to Leased, and enter the DOT number and EIN for the motor carrier responsible for safety. Doing this will also require you to upload a copy of the lease when you get to the document section. For the Safety Change field, if the motor carrier responsible for safety's information is expected to change in the current registration year, answer Yes. If not, answer No.
This next section is used to calculate fees. Hover over the question marks for more information on each field. In most situations, you want to leave the default responses in place. However, if the ownership document is an MSO, answer the New Vehicle field Yes. If this is the first time registering the vehicle under this owner, answer the first registration question Yes.
For sales tax, answer whether you're claiming an exemption. If the answer is yes, you'll be required to answer the additional questions and select a sales tax reason code. The name of the person claiming the exemption must also be entered. If you traded in a vehicle, enter the vehicle information. For this demonstration, we did not trade in a vehicle. This trade-in information is for sales tax reasons only. If you're trying to delete an existing vehicle and replace it with another vehicle, quit this transaction and go into the Transfer Vehicle with Fee function back on the Vehicle tile on the IRP site map.
Click Proceed. This will take you to a verification screen. Review all data for accuracy, and if anything needs updated, click Back. If all information is correct, click Proceed. A new blank Add Vehicle screen will appear. Repeat this process with any additional vehicles. Once all your vehicles are entered, click Done. If you click Quit, your supplement will be open but not completed. You can go back in and finish it, but it must be completed in the same business day. Otherwise, you'll have to begin again.
Clicking Done, though, will bring you to the web processing screen. This is where you will upload any required documents with your supplement. Scroll down to the Vehicle Document section and look at the table. Only the documents that have highlighted folder icons are currently required. If there is an X, those documents are not required at this time. For this demonstration, it's only requiring 2 documents. You will be required to upload at least 1 document to submit the application, but please upload any documents you have. In this example, since our title hasn't been issued yet, we can only upload the bill of sale.
Click the folder icon in the header row to upload a document for all the vehicles in the table. To upload a document for a specific vehicle, click the folder icon in that vehicle's row in the table. Documents you're uploading need to be in a file on your device or computer. Click Browse to find the file, then Upload to upload it. Click Done. This will take you back to the web processing screen. You'll see an eyeball and a trash can icon. Click the eyeball to review the document you've uploaded. Clicking the trash can deletes the document and allows you to upload another one.
Once you're satisfied with all the documents that you've uploaded, click Submit. This will bring you back to the site map and should show this informational message, showing that the request was submitted successfully. This means that your supplement has been sent to the DMV for review. Upon approval, you will receive an email saying your supplement has been approved, followed by another email with a PDF of your invoice attached. Log back into the system to pay your invoice and complete the transaction.